Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Google Photos on your Android device to begin recovery. Sign into the same Google account that held the deleted video. Tap the Library tab and then open Trash or Bin. Google Photos keeps deleted items for 60 days before permanent deletion. Browse thumbnails to locate the target video file you need to restore. Select the video and then tap Restore to return it to your gallery and albums. Confirm the item reappears in your device photos and in the original album location. Open your phone gallery app and check its trash or recently deleted folder. Many Android manufacturers keep deleted media for 30 days by default. Next, open Google Drive and OneDrive to search backup folders and synced camera uploads. Use the search field with file extensions like MP4 or MOV to find videos quickly. If you backed up to your PC, connect your phone with USB and check the backup folder for the missing file. Restore the file to the DSIM or move its folder on your device immediately. If trash and backups fail, consider a recovery app like Disk Digger or Photo Rec. Install the app and follow the on-screen scan instructions for internal storage. Non-root scans may recover lower-quality cached video files only. Rooted devices allow full deep scans, but they carry risks for warranty and data integrity. Stop using the device immediately to avoid overwriting the deleted video sectors. After recovery, transfer recovered files to cloud storage and create a backup plan to prevent future loss and save space on your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.